Have you ever wondered how computers work? Well, your phone, laptop, or even the computer you're watching this on all work using bits. A bit is the smallest piece of data, and it can either be a 0 or a 1. Like a tiny switch, off or on. But what if there was a computer that did just think in 0 south or 1 south, but in both at the same time? That's where quantum computers come in. And trust me, they're pretty wild, but super cool. Let's break it down. Traditional computers solve problems one step at a time. Think of it like trying every key on a keychain one by one until the door opens. It works. But it can be slow if there are lots of keys. Quantum computers, they can try all the keys at the same time. The secret, something called a qubit. Unlike regular bits, qubits can be a 0, a 1, or both at the same time. This is called superposition. Imagine flipping a coin in the air. It's not heads or tails yet. It's sort of both. That's what a qubit is like. Now, here's where things get even cooler. Qubits can also be entangled. That means two qubits become connected like twins. If you look at one, you instantly know what the other is, no matter how far apart they are. It's like having a pair of gloves and two boxers. If you open one and find the right glove, you instantly know the other one is the left. This weird connection is called entanglement, and it helps quantum computers work as a team. Then there's interference. Ever thrown the pebbles into a pond and watched the ripples? Sometimes the waves add together and get bigger. Sometimes they cancel each other out. Quantum computers use this trick too. They cancel out the wrong answers and boost the right ones. So when you put it all together, superposition, entanglement, and interference, quantum computers can explore a huge number of possible answers at once and help you find the best one faster. They're not meant to replace your phone or your laptop. You won't be watching Netflix on a quantum computer. But they're amazing for solving huge problems like finding new medicines, cracking super hard math problems, or even understanding how the universe works. Right now, quantum computers are still in the early stages. They're big, super cold machines that need special care. But one day, they might change the world. So next time you hear the word quanta, just think of spinning coins, twin gloves, and ripples on water, all working together in the weirdest, most wonderful way to solve problems faster than ever before. That's the magic of quantum computers.